Hi friends, welcome to Learn English with Ants. Let's learn some cooking verbs vocabulary. Knead. Knead. She is kneading the dough smoothly. She is kneading the dough smoothly. Squeeze. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Boil. Boil. The water is boiling. The water is boiling. Pour. Pour. Can you pour the oil to the jar? Can you pour the oil to the jar? Slice. Slice. Would you like to have another slice of pizza? Would you like to have another slice of pizza? Mix. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Mix the flour with some eggs. Sauté. Sauté. Sauté the vegetables for 2 minutes. Sauté the vegetables for 2 minutes. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out the dough into a circle. Roll out the dough into a circle. Stir. Stir. She stirred the soup for a few seconds. She stirred the soup for a few seconds. Melt. Melt. The butter is melting. The butter is melting. Roast. Roast. I roasted the chicken over the fire. I roasted the chicken over the fire. Peel. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Please peel a potato for cooking. Break. Break. She is breaking the egg into a bowl. She is breaking the egg into a bowl. Fry. Fry. He is frying a fish for dinner. He is frying a fish for dinner. Grate. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. She sprinkled some salt on the dish. She sprinkled some salt on the dish. Bake. Bake. Emily is baking the cake. Emily is baking the cake. Serve. Serve. He served the food to the lady. He served the food to the lady. Taste. Taste. Mary tasted the soup. Mary tasted the soup. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe. Do like, share and comment as well. Bye.